Well, good morning, everybody. Nice, bright, shiny, warm day. Well, let's check out our motor light to see what the problem is. All right, now we're going to start. Got a check engine light on. Let's put that right there. Up underneath the dash. Hooks in. P014 exhaust camshaft sensor, timing over advanced, and then it's got a P0480 fan control circuit, P0691 fan 1 control circuit low, 1101, sorry, intake airflow system for performance. All right, there's several different things. All right, we'll look into these, see what it's going to take. And for the progress on the Malibu, we're trying to get to the, take the battery out. Trying to get to the fan so we can test it, but that cord for it is way down there. Can't quite see it, but you see, not that plug. Not the gray one there, but the one right way below it, the brown one way down there. Can't get my hand to it. Can't get my hand down to it to unplug it, so, but I need to get power to it somehow just to see if it kicks on. Something is not kicking the fan on, and I can't quite figure it out yet. These two codes that's coming up with brings a lot of problems, and I mean a lot of different things could cause it. Fuse is good. Still concerned about the relay, but I think it's all right. So I don't know if the fan itself quit. It says low circuit. Hopefully I get it figured out so he don't have to take it to a different shop that knows what they're doing. All right, we'll get back with you guys. We've changed out all the sensors. Well, we're down to one code now. Got rid of the 480. 691 is still showing up. Well, at least three out of the 4 ain't too bad, I guess. Hopefully they don't pop back up. I'm gonna go test drive it, get it warmed up, and then recheck it to see what it's gonna say. All right, I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, just like that. It's a new day. Well, good morning, everybody. Just found out he had the shop fix it, and he has had trouble with it overheating since. So therefore there could be a fault in the wiring or the fan. We got the fan ordered, so we're going to be replacing the fan on it when it comes in. 3 to 4, 5, 6 days. Meanwhile, we'll get it all tore apart and ready. And I've got an auction to get to after this evening, so this afternoon and tomorrow. So we won't be doing anything with it. All right, we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Good morning, everybody. Well, always say, well, can't think of nothing to say. Oh, right out here. I guess today we'll be finished working on the Chevy Malibu. try to get the fan taken out. The new one should be in a few days, so hopefully we'll get it taken out, so that way when the new one's in, we can just put it right in. Hopefully then that fixes the problem. Maybe I can find the problem on the process of getting this one out too. So got to get where it'll kick on. Not too sure what else can do to fix that, but we'll hopefully get it figured out. Radiator hose off. We'll get the clips, whatever's holding it in. Into a little 10mm right there. So I need a little socket and ratchet. Got a little ratchet. Now I need a 10mm for it. 11. 11. There's got to be a 10 right here. We had to used it the other day. That one's an 11. Oh my. Everything's 11. We got lots of 11s. Alright, now we can get down. Oh, maybe I can kneel on this piece so be so bad. The end over. Alright, maybe that'll work. Not sure where that. Well, that's the one that goes into where it plugs, but where it goes down here, I'm not sure what that is. And that might be where it's causing us trouble too with our fan. Trying to get this all out is not. Thank goodness for editing, so you can edit out things. When your brain is just going thinking. I don't know about anybody else that does YouTube, but when you're doing it by yourself and you're talking to the cameras and stuff, but it kind of makes you feel like you're going insane talking to yourself, because you're like, does anybody ever watch these? To get my dry humor or whatever, I don't know. Well, we're having fun anyhow, either way. I need a short. Somehow.
That's too long. I should have looked for that ratchet in front. Yeah, that makes it too long. I don't have a shorter extension for those. Where'd my wrench go then? Don't think I can get on the dirt with this wrench. No, we can't. So, all this wiring and all this stuff's just up in the way. In the way! I can't see what to do. The hose is in the way. In the way. Indigo! Easy there. No, wait. Alright. Where'd my ratchet go again? Gotta be able to get that ratchet in there. It's the only way. The hose needs moved over. That is not working. And that ratchet wrench is just a flat wrench I need. That's the 11. Of course, everything's 11. The metrics I hardly use. A whole bunch of them. And the size that you do need, can't ever find them. I need a lot because we use them. Nope. It's not bent enough. Special wrench I thought there was a 10 in the special. 11 in the special bent. That one just got the special. Nope. Alright. Gotta figure out. Alright, this is not working. Let's go figure it out. That's that. Not too sure, but I think that's all there is. It's just the 2 bolts. Unfortunately, I don't have a hook on this one. So. Ouch. Scratched my hand. I'm bleeding. I see blood up on the face. Oh! Yeah. Looks like the wind's coming from the north. Why, it's a little chilly. Alright, okay. Now this one's gonna be just gonna get the battery out and the box off.
Alright. There is the old fan out. But why it's not working, I don't know. Whew. That was quite the little thing to get it out of there. Alright. Now we can just... hopefully I didn't lose that little clip. Need to see where this, trace this wire down and stuff, because this one, it goes, I don't know if it goes into that clip, fan clip, or if it goes somewhere else. Make sure that it's not messed up somewhere. Follow a few of these wires, make sure they're okay, so that way I know it's not a wiring problem. All right. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Been working outside for a little bit on a few things, because we're still waiting on parts for the Malibu. The fan should be in today, and then we'll be able to get it put in and installed either this evening or tomorrow. And now, working on the sensor. What did I do with that sensor? Put a new sensor in there last night, that we bought from Napa, which said it was supposed to fit, which does not fit. The wiring harness does not fit. So now I got to figure out what we're going to do. Might have to run to AutoZone, which has a 30-minute drive, 45-minute drive. Might have to run over there and see if they have one that's the right one. All right, I'll get back with you guys. Well, I found the clip. Yay! So that part's all back in. Wires hooked up. Now, thanks to the Chevy dealer lying to me, or not knowing what they're talking about, the parts house anyhow, saying that there's a sensor, which apparently some does, but this one right here, this radiator's not made with it, and I don't see a wire hanging down that could go to it, so therefore there's no sensor in that radiator for that. The AC has a sensor.